I've studied hundreds of GitHub repos over the past year, searching for the best study resources, any unfair advantage I could find. And ultimately, I found 5 of them that helped me get into companies like Amazon and Google. In fact, I recommend these 5 repos to all of my students, and they've been able to find their own unfair advantage, landing internships and job offers in tech. So in this video, I'll break down each repo and how to use it most effectively. Also, pay close attention to the final repo on this list. It's 100% free and different from anything you've ever tried before. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, let's start with a repo that will completely change the way you learn. But don't just bookmark it and move on. Most people open this repo, get overwhelmed by the code, and move on. But the people that know how to navigate it, they grow their careers faster than their competition can even understand. I'm talking about the Hugging Face Transformers repo. This is the heart of modern AI. Every major LLM you've heard about, like GPT, is implemented here. But here's the secret no one tells you. The real gold isn't just in the models, it's in the examples folder. Specifically, I want you to look at PyTorch and then maybe text classification. That subfolder alone taught me more than any certification. You'll find clean implementations of fine-tuning in just a few lines of code. That's not just helpful, it's literally copy-pastable. Now, here's the proof that this repo matters. Yann LeCun, chief AI scientist at Meta, and one of the godfathers of AI, has publicly praised Hugging Face for making LLMs so widely accessible. And when someone of that level, the chief AI scientist at Meta, calls this repo a game changer, we should probably pay attention. Now, you might be thinking,
That sounds cool, but a few lines of code isn't enough for a portfolio project.
good, because that leads perfectly into our second repo. This next repo is one that tons of people have bookmarked, but almost no one explores it deeply. It's the official PyTorch repository. Now, I'm not talking about importing PyTorch and calling it a day. I'm talking about the actual source code, the code that was used to create PyTorch. Now, this is where you get your competitive edge. Because if you can understand how these tools work under the hood, then you become unreasonably attractive to employers. Most people just import PyTorch, call a simple function, and then add the library to their resume. But when you go one level deeper and actually understand how the library works behind the scenes, that's when everything clicks. When I was preparing for my interviews, I remember stumbling across the source file for the neural network module in PyTorch. And I'll be honest, it felt like trying to read ancient scrolls at first. But once I sat with it, I saw how neural networks are no more than just a few lines of matrix multiplication. And once I understood that, interview questions felt easy. But more importantly, it gave me confidence, and confidence shows. Now, you might be thinking,
Okay, this is great, but what if I want something more visual, more interactive?
what if you want something you can actually show off? Let me show you the repo for that. This one might surprise you because it's not flashy. It's not tied to a big model like ChatGPT, but it's one of the most practical repos you'll ever use. It's OpenCV, the open source computer vision library. Now, before you roll your eyes and say,
I already know about OpenCV.
ask yourself this. Have you ever actually cloned the GitHub repo and dug through the code samples? Because buried inside this repo are complete working implementations of things like facial detection with just a few lines of Python, image segmentation with real-time visualization, camera calibration for motion detection projects. This repo is your entry point to building real AI projects and products, things that touch the physical world. And here's the best part. You don't need a GPU, you don't need a massive dataset. All you need is a webcam to take some photos and the curiosity to build. Now, if you want to take that curiosity and turn it into something cutting edge, something that involves databases and LLMs, then this next repo will blow your mind. AI applications are shifting fast, and one of the most important tools to emerge in the LLM era is ChromaDB. This repo is your gateway into building RAG pipelines, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, the kind of stuff OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google are doing right now behind the scenes. If you're not familiar with RAG, no worries. It's simply when we connect an LLM to a database so that it can access more up-to-date information. But ChromaDB isn't just another library. It's a playground. It's open source, super simple to use, and way faster to get started with than you would expect. Here's how I'd recommend you use it. First, take a small data set, say a bunch of PDFs stored on your laptop. Second, use ChromaDB to embed and store those PDFs in a database instance. Third, let users ask questions and get intelligent responses based on the data. You just built ChatGPT for a company's internal documents. Now, we've talked about 4 repos at this point, but this last one is different because it wasn't made by a FANG company or a VC-funded startup. It's free, it's open to everyone, and it was made specifically for people like you. When I was mentoring one of my students, I noticed something strange. They were doing LeetCode for months, but still couldn't pass basic ML interviews. They were smart, they knew Python, they were willing to grind, but no one was teaching them how to practice ML the way they practice data structures and algorithms. So I teamed up with my colleague NeetCode, and we created something brand new. LeetCode for machine learning. This isn't a repo full of toy examples. These are structured ML coding challenges. Each one has a problem statement, input data points, starter code, and solution code that you can compare your answer to. And of course, you can run your code in the environment. Some of my students have even used these problems to build full-fledged projects, turning a 50-line solution into a full pipeline they deploy. And again, this platform is 100% free. Now, if you want me to walk you through how to turn these GitHub repos into your first portfolio project, even if you don't know where to start, check out this video right here. Go watch that video next. Your unfair advantage is waiting.